All right, y'all, I'm back, y'all. Okay. All right, so we gonna go find the birthday girl again. All right. And Nayomi on TV say, hey, 2 cameras. All right. So all right. That's the birthday girl, y'all. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. We're gonna sing happy birthday on Facebook Live, you know. Okay. So this is it's our 3rd birthday party, and I'm happy to celebrate with her, you know. I'm totally happy to celebrate with her, you know. So you see, folks, just like I did last year and the year before last, but last year Nayomi went to sleep and took a nap, you know. So you know what, y'all? It was just a damn, you know what I'm trying to say, you know. Oh no, wait a minute. I made a mistake, y'all. I made a mistake. Oh man, I done something. All right, y'all. Yeah, it's a good day, y'all. It's a good day, you know. All right, so we have it big, you know. Awesome, you know. All right. All right. And so listen, and that's it.